अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक वेरी इजी सुपर टेस्टी रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल चिकन ग्रेवी। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहले कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स ड्राई रोस्ट कर लेते हैं। तो एक कढ़ाई लीजिए जिसमें आप सालन बना रहे हैं, उसी में 5 to 6 ड्राई रेड चिलीज, 2 tablespoons of cashews and 10 to 12 shallots, that is sambar onions, small onions. इसको आप 2 to 3 minutes तक ड्राई रोस्ट करिए on low flame and then transfer that to a mixie jar. Cool and grind coarsely. Now add 2 tomatoes to the same mixture. Add a little water and grind it to a fine paste. Keep it aside. अभी उसी कढ़ाई में let's make the gravy. Add a ladle of oil, that's around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 onions finely sliced. Saute till golden brown. Once the onions are done, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Now add the spice powders. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. We will check for spice as well later. We have added dry red chilies while roasting and grinding. So we will add only 1 teaspoon of red chilies powder now. 1/4 teaspoon haldi, turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Sprinkle water and saute. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt. We can check and add more later if necessary. Saute well till the oil leaves the sides. Now add the chicken. I have taken half a kg of chicken with bones. Mix well and saute for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add the ground masala. The ground masala consists of cashews, small onions, tomatoes and dry red chilies. Add this and continue to saute till the oil leaves the sides. This is going to be super tasty, so don't forget to try it out. Now keep the flame on medium. Add a teaspoon of garam masala powder when the sauteing is done. Also rinse out the mixie jar with a glass of water and add that to the gravy as well. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame till the chicken is done. Once after 15 to 20 minutes, check whether the chicken is done. Now if you want more gravy, add a cup of hot water. For me, this is enough. Garnish with a tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Mix. Check for salt. 1 teaspoon was more than enough. If you want more, you can add. Switch off the flame and let it rest till it's time to serve. Chicken gravy, restaurant style, goes very well with naans, rotis, ghee rice. So please do try it out. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.